Yeah, probably not the best idea going up there. Looks like it could be some sort of...
They got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money. The pressure be calling. Left on my blessings. I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone in affection. I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems.
Skywalk was amazing. Every time we get somewhere, you're coming from the UK, you just automatically expect that you're going to have to pay. And it's not the case here. Like that Skywalk there, you know, it's manned by staff. You know, they're making sure you sanitize your hands and you wear shoe coverings. But it's free. It's completely free. It's like the museum the other day, completely free. Yeah, I know there's museums in the UK that are free, but you know, everywhere I've been at the minute, I've not actually had to pay. Like some of the temples you have to pay, but it's not expensive at all. You know, like the palace the other day, £2 to get in. That's super cheap. I'd like to get up that hill and fly the drone, but I'm not sure that's going to be possible. Right, so I found this path. I'm trying to get up to the top to see if there's a good viewpoint. I say it's a path. It's a path in a loose sense, being a path. Wow, this looks like some sort of defensive point. God, if there's just a little bit of a clearing here, if we get the drone up. But no. Yeah, probably not the best idea going up there. Looks like it could be some sort of radar on it. Could be a military base or something. It's not exactly marked this path. Probably go back. Yeah, we'll go back. beautiful beach in Busan. You can't even smoke on the beach. The beach is absolutely immaculate.
들어가실 거예요?
Yeah,
네, 티켓.
I don't have ticket now.
티켓, 노 티켓. 아우, 지금 없어요, 이제. 솔다.
All the tickets are sold out.
Ah.
So, and this is the last train.
Oh, okay, thanks. Thanks for letting me know, cheers. Looks like I'm walking back. All the tickets are sold. So, walking back to the apartment. You know, fortunately, the needed to buy a ticket for the train, and although I was there for the last train, I didn't have a ticket, and it was sold out. So, grabbed some ramen. Now I'm walking back. Probably going to be about 5k walking back, which is not too bad.